Welcome to the Capital Markets Pavilion. The Securities and Exchange Commission are exhibiting this year at the Agriculture and Commercial Show as a community with its market players. The Securities and Exchange Commission is a regulator within the financial services sector. There's three regulators in the financial services sector: the Bank of Zambia, the Pensions and Insurance Authority, and the Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, who is the Securities and Exchange Commission, you'd like to ask? We regulate the capital markets, and we are saying to the Zambian public who are attending the agricultural show that capital markets is a platform that is available for their use, for them to invest, and for them to raise capital for the various projects. The way we've interpreted this year's theme is we are saying using capital markets to promote innovation and economic development beyond the Golden Jubilee. We have a lot of products within the capital markets that can assist this nation to leap to its next economic development level. We have our players in the pavilion itself that you'll be speaking to in a little while that will walk you through the different innovative products of how we play a role in bringing about development in Zambia. So when you look just in the back here, we're just explaining ourselves as the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the entry point into capital markets. What we do, we issue licenses to players within the capital markets. We conduct inspections just to make sure that we're giving that environment that instills confidence for people to raise money and for people to invest, to buy shares. I hope you are a shareholder. Then we also register those securities just to make sure that we have products that are reliable and where people can invest and have their money secure. And we also enforce the Securities Act. So I hope as you go around, you engage with our various players and learn more of the capital markets and what's in the offing for the Zambian public. Thank you.
GroFin Zambia is an SME financier and business support provider. We have been in the Zambian market for the last 3 years now, and it is extremely important for us to invest in companies and entrepreneurs that really know what they want to achieve. And our product offering has a very different touch to it from the usual financing that is available on the market. We do provide financing by way of debt or equity, but equally as important, for every investment, financial investment that we make, we do provide business support. And this business support goes to ensure that the businesses that we invest in succeed. The usual investor will come in with money, but a lot of people will say that, and the biggest problem that they have is the lack of capital. But our experience has shown that lack of capital is only but one attribute that is missing in a business. The lack of adequate skills and support to make entrepreneurs succeed is also another major thing. Equally important is the fact that we invest in businesses across all various stages of development. We invest in startups, we invest for acquisition, we invest in mature companies. So it is very important that even when you're coming to deal with us, you're very clear about your business so that we get a quick buy-in and are able to invest. This show has been very eye-opening for us. We have been able to see quite a number of companies that would do with our investment, but also importantly, we're able to showcase. A lot of entrepreneurs have been able to come in the capital market stand, and we are extremely grateful for all of this. And from all the various players in the capital markets, what we would like to see is greater participation so that we work really in line with the theme for this year's show. So please, while the show is still running, come into the capital market stand and see what SEC and the institutions that it supervises are able to do. And we will receive you very warmly and be able to also guide you, whether you're seeking financing, you're seeking investment advice, you want to learn about derivatives. It's something that we'll be able to do in this stand. Thank you very much.